So actually, how do we submit assignments on Edmodo? When you open the Edmodos, you realize that some students submit in email, some don't even open up the assignment, they just scroll down and they find it difficult on actually answering assignments. So here is the student's profile on Edmodo for this particular student, Marali Chusho, for English and Geography class. So actually, when you get to Edmodo, most of the assignments are posted here and again, and therefore you need to refresh. You click the refresh button so that you are able to see most of the upcoming events. Then on the right hand side, you can see upcoming events or even assignments that are posted in your class, which you can as well refresh to see them loaded in your class. And therefore, when you scroll down, like in this assignment, that is an LA task, students actually will be able to see the question as it scrolls down. And you are advised not to write your response on the comment section, but click open. So once you click open, you'll see that on the right hand side, the assignment itself is located for you so that you can actually read through the assignments. Then on the left hand side, you can see there's where to submit. So we have got two options. The first option is where you can create a response. Like we have an option of a text response. So you can just actually write your response in text on that dialogue. And once you are done, the turn in appears. Then you just turn in your assignment. You can as well give a response in a Word format, Word Office format, where you just open. Then you actually do you write your response on the Word panel, and actually it attaches. Then eventually you turn in. What about the other option for the attach? The second option is for where you have assignment already done on your computer. So if you have a file format, you only need to open that file. Once you locate it, you open. Then once it attaches, you are able to turn in your assignment. So that is actually the second option that you need to use.